Learn how smart AI tools can automate routine tasks, boost creativity, and save time through simple explanations, practical tips, and workflows you can apply today. You know those emails you get that are just boring, like you open them, scroll once, and you're already gone. But what if your emails could actually do things like forms, surveys, even actions without leaving the inbox? Yeah, that's exactly what this tool does. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out a tool called Mailmodo. And honestly, this one surprised me because it's not just email marketing. It's like turning your emails into mini apps. So let's dive in and see what this thing actually does. Alright, so Mailmodo is basically an email marketing platform, but with a twist. Instead of sending static emails where people just read and click, Mailmodo lets you create interactive emails. So inside the email itself, people can fill out forms, answer surveys, click through options, even complete actions without ever leaving their inbox. And that's a pretty big deal, because the less friction, the more likely people are to actually engage. Let's be real. Most email campaigns fail for one simple reason. People don't want to click through 3 different pages just to do one thing. They lose interest, they close the tab, they forget. What Mailmodo does is remove that extra step completely. Everything happens inside the email itself, faster, smoother, and way more engaging. Now let me show you what stood out to me from their platform. First, everything is built around prompts and automation. You can literally set up email tasks in seconds, like writing subject lines with AI, creating full email campaigns, generating ready-to-send emails, and it feels very plug and play. Then there's automation workflows. You can set up journeys where emails send automatically, users move through sequences, everything runs in the background, and from what I saw, it's actually pretty clean and visual, not overwhelming. Another thing I liked, optimization tools. You've got features like /B testing, send time optimization, time zone-based scheduling. So instead of guessing when to send emails, you can actually refine and improve over time. And then there's analytics, like email click maps, which basically show you where people are interacting inside your emails. That's super useful if you're trying to understand what's working and what's not. What I personally like about this is that it doesn't feel overly complicated. A lot of email tools try to do everything and end up being confusing, but this feels more like, here's what you need, now go build your campaign. Also, the idea of interactive emails, that's honestly the most interesting part, because it makes emails feel less like messages and more like experiences. Alright, let's talk pricing, because that's always important. From what I saw, the Lite plan starts at around $27 per month for 500 contacts. The Pro plan is about $79 per month, and this one includes more advanced features like A/B testing and better optimization tools. And then there's a Max plan with unlimited sending and more team access. So overall, it's tiered based on how advanced you want to go. Also, they do have a free start option, which is nice if you just want to test things out first. So if I had to sum up the experience, you jump in, pick what you want to create, use AI or templates to build your email, set up automation, and just let it run. That's pretty much the flow. Simple, but powerful. So yeah, that's Mailmodo. Definitely a cool tool if you want your emails to feel more interactive and less forgettable. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. And let me know in the comments, would you actually use interactive emails like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.